Today, I want to have a brief discussion of China's current employment situation. So, why employment crisis coexist with labor shortage in China? 1,300 college students holding bachelor degree diplomas apply and compete for 30 jobs provided by a food enterprise in Guangdong province. In present China, it's difficult both for students to find jobs and for enterprises to find skillful workers, which shows an imbalance, awkwardness between the university talent cultivation and job market demands. What are the causes for the employment crisis? Causes for this employment crisis. The very first cause is that in China's economic structure, agriculture and the traditional manufacturing industry take up the most part, while the advanced manufacturing industry and the modern service industry are developing relatively slow. As we know, the former can provide tremendous amount of physical labor job positions and only the latter can absorb and provide large numbers of mental work positions. Due to the fact that college graduates lack practical work experience, which 60% of the enterprises emphasize and focus on while recruiting workers. It's a pity that the various following factors confine students from finding job practice opportunities. On one hand, enterprises are less enthusiastic about accepting practice students. On the other hand, relevant job practice organizations are waiting to be strengthened. Also, the time and energy the students spend for job practice can hardly be guaranteed. Another factor contributing to this crisis is that the lack of coordination between college supply and social demand also increases this serious situation. That's why the society should reconsider or reflect on the problems existing in our educational mode. And on the other hand, our colleges and universities should also reconsider how to produce more suitable and needed graduates for the enterprises. Thirdly, inappropriate job concepts and insufficient capabilities from the part of college graduates also add to this awkwardness. Fourthly, there is an oversupply of so-called hot major students of liberal arts, while some science and engineering majors and courses which need relatively heavy funding are short of supply for students. Lastly, the lack of correct employment and career planning of the graduates is also a very important factor, which fails to meet with the enterprise value and standard. Some possible solutions to this problem, at my point of view. To solve this problem, some college students even go to temples to pray for their fate and for future fortune. Some of them had to prolong their college years of study to evade this awkwardness. But I think these two ways are not the right thing to do. My point of view is that the government should stand out to act as the coordinator between the students and enterprises. And while the colleges try to make full preparations needed for the students to find suitable jobs, the students should also do their utmost to qualify themselves for the jobs provided. But the most important is that it is high time for the government and the enterprises to join hands to do something for it.